Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Now, I will be tossing in some CVS deals as well that I did. I did get my CoverGirl inserts, well, my inserts this like 2 days ago, and so I wanted to go ahead and knock that moneymaker out. So I did that across the board. A few other deals that I did as well. No in-store, but it will be in my Google Doc. So for my weekend bonus, I need 18 rebates for $5. Now, I did not get that larger bonus a lot of you guys got. I didn't get that. Hoping this should be pretty easy. But if you are new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well so you never miss a video. So keep this brief. We're going to head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. So if you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching. Guys, so this first deal is on the Weathers. I'm doing this deal again because it actually popped up on Checkout 51 yesterday. So we're gonna grab 2 of them, again priced at $128. You end up paying $256 and getting back 25 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also 128 points on My Points, which is 80 cents, and then of course you've got 62 cents for the 2 of them on Checkout 51, bringing these down to only 32 cents each. Alright, so I figured why not do this deal again. It's on the Ben's Originals on the 10 variety, priced at $2.98. Grabbing 1, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. There's also 250 points on, our kicks rather, on Shopkick, which is $1, making this only $1.23. Alright, and of course we're gonna grab the cup of noodle again. I just realized that this one right here, the teriyaki chicken one, is $1.12, a little cheaper than the ones at $1.24, 10 cents cheaper. So we're gonna grab this one, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, bringing this down to only 62 cents. And of course, cause why not? Grab the mac and cheese Wakanda Forever. One again priced at $1, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 50 cents. Right, just a reminder on the Lucky Charms deal, they are on rollback for $3. For this, I have an offer on Ibotta. Mine says I have to buy 2. So buying 2, paying $6, and then getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, and then $2.40 for a sample offer. I'll have a link for you in the description. Plus, I submitted on Alexa as well as inbox dollars, making them only 5 cents per box. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Bob's Red Meal Old-Fashioned Oatmeal. It's priced at $6.28. I saw Cynthia post this on her Instagram page. I figured, hey, why not? So we're going to grab 1 of them, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also $1.25 on Merryfield. And then last but not least, there's 825 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.30, bringing this down to only 23 cents, which is not a bad deal. So the guy is like stocking the shelf where these are. So I'm gonna definitely be grabbing this deal again on the Belvita Crunchy Breakfast Bars. I love these in my coffee, y'all, and I have coffee every day of my life. So when I can get a great deal on these, I'm getting them. All right, so I've been doing this on repeat. They are priced for $4.24 in this store. You end up paying $8.48 and then getting back 75 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also 425 points on My Points, which is $2.67, bringing these down to $2.15 each, which for me is an awesome deal. Now they did have some dollar coupons over there, but the Ibotta rebate does exclude the use of a coupon. But since I already get these anyways, I figured why not grab me a couple. And so yeah, it's gonna make these basically $2.15 each, which is not bad. So you already know, like, you already know, we're gonna grab the chubs again. Okay, they finally restocked. These are priced at $3.13 for the best of, and $2.94 for the cremosa one. You're getting back a total of 900 kicks and scan kicks, which is $3.60 from Shopkick. So it makes this one here a 30-cent moneymaker, and then it makes this one here a 66-cent moneymaker. So definitely not a bad deal. Of course, we're grabbing the Silk almond milk yogurt, priced at $1.52. Getting back 85 cents on Ibotta, bringing this down to only 67 cents. All right, just a reminder, this item is still free. It's on the Bamba Peanut Butter Suns. It's located on the baby aisle. So it's priced at $3.12. This is a free offer. It's a free offer. Yeah, it's a free offer on sample. One of you guys are asking me what a sample. It's not a website. It's not an app. It's just they have free offers sometimes. And a lot of them I see when I'm scrolling through Instagram. But This one, again, priced at $312, getting that back. I'll have a link for you in the description, making this absolutely really quick. I just had her grab these for me. I don't know if you can see it. I'll pop up a picture. It's on the Infamil Neuro Pro. They are priced at $11.82. You want to grab one of them. You're getting back 3,250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $13, making this a $1.18 moneymaker. I had her grab two. I'm going to try to bring them up separately, and hopefully it resets for me. And so yeah, definitely not a bad deal. Next deal is on the Purina. This deal actually got a little bit better because it popped up on Shopkick. It's 75 kicks, and there are 4 different flavors. So we're gonna grab 4 of these at $134. We'll end up paying $5.36 at a pocket. We'll get back $2 on Ibotta. I'm gonna submit on my points this time around, getting back 467 kicks, which is $2.93, and then 75 kicks, which is 30 cents on Shopkick. We'll make these only 3 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Alright, so this next deal is on the Friskies. I was so sad when I got here, you guys. This rebate on Shopkick was already gone, but they do have one on the Friskies Little Soups. It's grab one at $134, getting back 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4, making it a $2.66 moneymaker. So I'm gonna try to grab a few of these on separate receipts. We're walking and we're talking. So we're gonna also be grabbing the Raid bait again. It is priced at it's hard to walk and talk, at $4.43, getting back $2 on Ibotta, and then 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, making this only 30 cents. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Band-Aids. So they have 2 different ones. Well, they have a lot of different ones you can grab actually, but the cheaper ones are going to be the spot ones here, priced at $2.78, and then this one here priced at $2.88, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on all those other apps that remain nameless. I'm gonna also be submitting this on my points as well for 170 points, which is equivalent to $1.06, making this a 28-cent moneymaker. That's for this one. It would make this one down here a 18-cent moneymaker. And so, just a reminder on the Depends, it is still double attaching. A lot of these do work. I know this one didn't because it's pads probably, but a lot of these do double attach with 2 different offers, being these 2 here. All right, so getting back 12, paying $4.42 would make it $2.42, and then this one here double attaching as well, which is right there. So it would make it not bad. Make it like what, $2.88 for those, and then $2.42 for the other ones. And so yeah, and then I know there is an offer on the other apps for $5 back when you buy 2, but the offers on Ibotta are just a limit of 1. Some of them say must buy 2, but for the most part, limit of 1. Next deal right here is on the Doveman Carrot, 2-in-1 price at $4.98, grabbing 1, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $120. And then last but not least, 340 points on my points, which is $2.13. I'm bringing this down to only 65 cents. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the Colgate Optic White Renewal. It's priced at $7.32, getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Blockcityips. Of course, the conversion on My Points is a little bit more. It's $3.20. I'm bringing that down to $1.12. I was going to grab the plaque, though, because it's a much better deal for me. It's priced at $8.36, grabbing 1. I'm getting back 4 on Ibotta, and then $4 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Blockcityips. Of course, again, My Points is a little higher. It's $4.27, making that only 9 cents. But this store, I feel like they haven't been restocking on this, so I'm going to check another store on my way back to the house. And so, yeah. Okay, I was checking the clearance section, and they have this Febreze Auto. It's on clearance for $3. And then we have an offer on Ibotta that is for, what is it for? It's for $2.30, making this only 70 cents. Okay, so this next deal here is on the True Skin. Now, I checked these at home before I left, and they both did work on Ibotta. I did scan this one on Shopkick, and it worked. I didn't get to scan this one, though. That's one thing I'm hoping that they change on Shopkick. I wish they would just continuously allow us to scan things to see if it verifies, because I feel like once you've scanned it, you can't scan kicks are not always available, which sucks. And so for this, you're gonna grab 1 at $9, getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Tada, and then 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4. Making this a $5 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I did mentioned I was doing a little bit of CVS as well. Please excuse just how I playing this game. In there. So we did the Cheerios, the Lucky Charms, the Fiber One. I did CoverGirl 3 times. Did the Revlon. What else? Oh, the Ferrero Rocher. Those are $3.99. I thought it was a great deal. I had a $2 extra care buck rather that they sent me to my email. So I went ahead and used that. Those are $3.99 each. Get back $4 on Tada. It did go straight through, which is cool. And then $1 or $2 back on Checkout 51. So it made that free with the $2 ECB that they sent me for free. All right, so that's why I grabbed that. Everything here worked out good. No coupons used at all at Walmart. All of the deals the coupons and stuff that I use at CVS, everything was smooth. No issues at all at CVS. Now I did have a couple hiccups with Shopkick actually. So I scanned the Chupa Chups. It's supposed to give me 150 kicks for each one, but it didn't award me the kicks, even though it was clearly there and I clearly scanned them. This was yesterday. I had to put a ticket in. They did give me 150 kicks, but that was just for one of them. So I had to put another ticket in, letting them know it was a total of 300 kicks, and then they gave me 300 kicks. So I ended up getting an extra 150 in kicks on that deal. I did try to do it again today, but when I checked out, it was gone. So that's going back. Well, the other 2 are going back on my next trip. The other issue was, with the Infamil. So the Infamil was getting back 3,250 kicks, right, which was $13. It was clearly there when I clipped it to submit my receipt, but then when it was processing, it had dropped to like $12.50. So I was like, okay, don't trip. Let's just see what happens once it processes, because sometimes it'll process for the correct amount. That one, it didn't. I had to put a ticket in for that. I did do a separate one with a separate receipt. That one's most likely going back. Well, it's going back. And then the Friskies as well. Same thing. With that one, when I submitted my receipt, I clipped it. It was 1,000 kicks. But then when it went to processing it, it had dropped to 500. So I put a ticket in for that as well. And I did a separate receipt with the Infamil and the little soups as well. So those 2 items are going back. But I did put tickets in. But if they're not able to, if they don't correct it, which they always are pretty much, they're good with correcting things. Well, let me shut up. They're not always good with correcting things. Let me just be honest. Like, they're not. But if they do correct that, then we're good. If not, then yes, both of those are going back. Because, well, this one, I'll keep that. Because $2 back would still make it a small money maker. But this one here definitely is going back. Because paying $11, $12 for that and only getting back, what was it, like $5, I think? No, we're not doing that. Other than that, as far as Shopkick, everything else was okay with Shopkick. Now with Ibotta and this right here, it was double attaching, but when I submitted scanned my receipt, it didn't pick it up and I had to scan it. But I did scan each one that it was double attaching for, and it did go through for that, which was cool. The Bob's Red Meal, that one didn't work on Ibotta. I don't think any of the ones that I scanned did work, because I had scanned that one. It didn't work. I was already home. And, well, nearly home, right? Because I had to pick up Josiah early from school today because he had an incident. And so I was just, my head wasn't there. I didn't even scan it at the store like I normally do. And so I scanned that once I got home, scanned the receipt. It didn't work. And so I put a request in to have it reviewed or whatever. It said it didn't qualify, even though literally it's the same one. So I actually had to pick up an extra, I picked up an extra rebate just in case, because, you know, when you put a ticket in, it could take some time. Just a heads up on that. Hopefully they'll credit me. I'm hoping that they do. If they don't, I'm going to keep it anyways, because I feel like it's still a really great price. Even if I end up paying the $1.50 I didn't get back from my Ibotta for it, I think it's worth it. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, and I think that was basically it. I didn't price match the Belvita, which I haven't been at that store. They're just like, if it doesn't say shipped and sold at Walmart, then they don't price match it. So I didn't price match it, but I'm grabbing these anyway, y'all, because like I said, I eat these every day. Okay, so if I can get them for $2 a box versus $5 at Food for Less, you know, or $5 at Walmart not on sale, then I'm there for it. All right, so definitely I'm happy with paying $2 for those. And so other than that, you guys, I do have a lot of receipts. I have receipts for CVS as well as Walmart. So they're all there, all right? And so everything you see here retails $162.45. I have $45 in coupons, COTs, and zeros for just at CVS, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $116.95. And then we walk away with a total of $37.25 from Ibotta. Shopkick should be $33.60. Checkout 51 was $2. My Points $10.15. Ta-da is $9. That was for the chocolate and the True Skin. Those both went straight through, okay? So this one, the $9 one, it worked perfect on Ta-da, just to let you know. If that resets on Ibotta, I will definitely be doing that again. Fetch Reward was $179. Merryfield was $159. And then $30 in extra care bucks for the CoverGirl deal we did 3 times, all right? So it's a total of $125.08. It makes it all free plus an $8.13 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.